Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. Yeah, the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Thursday. It's Thursday, January the 25th, 2024. And what's the news of today? Well, I've told you news of today. Oh, pump the camera. Yeah, this man, Trump, wins again. Yeah, Trump wins again. In I believe in Hampshire, New Hampshire. Yeah. Well, in this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. I've just shown you earlier in the other puzzles additional, but let me start with or continue with this tectonic. Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, number. This will be number 7869. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16. 16 printed digits. 16. Okay. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. I don't think it's a 3 stars, maybe 1 star or 2 stars puzzle. For 1 star puzzle, I need need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Yeah, let me put this here. 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here only 1 single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, I see here dual boxes. Contains the 1 and 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here also a dual box. Do not know in which order. Insufficient information right now. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes here. How about quadruple boxes? I see here a quadruple box. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also a quadruple box, but I cannot fill this yet. Insufficient information. Here also a quadruple box. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here another quadruple box. Cannot believe this. A lot of quadruple boxes. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, and this quadruple box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Okay. Well, now my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. How about this shape? Yeah. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Here another 1, the same shape, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 or a 4, but it cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here, so it should be a 2 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Alright. Okay, then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Nope. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, three shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. So 1 box left with the 2 in this cross area should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. This box can be 5, that box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this cross area should be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 5 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2, no, 3 and 5. 3 and 5, let me mark those. Is connected with that box, so 3 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Excuse me, need to blow my nose. Okay. Well. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. And those 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 1. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 4. Well, let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. That box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. These two. No. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be in and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be in and 3 goes there. 3 or 5, we have a 3 now. So this box should be a 5. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box should be so 3. And 1 box left in this area for number 5. 3 and 4. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Then, well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1. And these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those. Alright, 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 to 4, 2 to 4. 2 to 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 to 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 to 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. 0 stars, yeah. Faster than 13 minutes. So we are well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in tonight. Yeah, later on in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.